Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Software Update at the top and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here, let's go to Device Settings, and as you can see at the top, we've got the option Auto Download over Wi-Fi. So basically, all you have to do is to make sure that this option is turned on so that the switcher looks like that, and thanks to it, your device is allowed to automatically download software updates over the Wi-Fi. Moreover, I also highly recommend to keep this option turned on, so update overnight. So make sure that it looks like that. Thanks to it, your device will not only download the updates, but also it will automatically update the software and restart between 1 and 5 a.m. if it is not in use, and it is the best time to do that because usually we are sleeping during night, so at night actually. So you will simply wake up to the updated system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.